Hello, I am from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, College of Yergaon, Science. My project name is Vocal for Local. Project name is May the Provider of Food Be Happy. Introduction. The major problems faced by farmers include water scarcity, volatility and commodity prices, risk of natural disasters, debt burden, availability of pesticides and fertilizers, and lack of modern technology. These problems make the farmer financially vulnerable and the often has to suffer losses. Major problems of the farmers is water storage. Due to inadequate irrigation facilities, agriculture is often dependent on rain, which leads to crop losses due to drought or low rainfall. Second, commodity price volatility. Agriculture products do not receive fair and stable market prices. If the market prices falls, the farmer has to bear the loss. Use of pesticide. Pesticides should be used properly to protect crops from the insects attacks. For this, with the help of modern technology, boom sprayers like agricultural sprayers, mounted or tractors should be used. This will effectively control insects and increase production. Market. Inadequate transportation of communication facilities to get agriculture produce to the right market are also a problem. Also, exploitation by traders is another reason. Lack and technology. The lack of modern agriculture technology, modern seeds and modern implements is also major challenge. Fertilizers and pesticides. Farmers also face many problems regarding the availability and proper use of artificial fertilizers and effective pesticides. Solutions. Market improvement. The government needs to reform the market so that farmers get a fair price for the produce. This can increase the farmers should sell their product directly in the market so they will not need middleman and their income will increases. Use of technology. Farmers should use modern technology production capability and increase by using various technological tools. For example, using modern machinery, smart farming, drone technology, etc. Farmers can make their work easier and increase their production. Use of organic fertilizers. Farmers should use of organic fertilizers. Also, using fertilizer in the right amount can increase the quantity of the product. Using organic fertilizers increase the quality of the soil and improves the growth of the crops. Also, using organic fertilizers is safe for the environment. Team Atal Biology. Team teacher name Sri Ingole Sanjay Ganpat. Team student name Pawar Prithviraj Sadashiv, Dhere Vikram Mahadev, Kalugde Aryan Akaram, Patil Kalyani Ramchandra, Shelte Asmita Prakash. Thank you.